Welcome to this special edition of collaborative support with other skincare specialists. As a licensed esthetician who has not been able to provide skincare to some of my clients in almost 8 weeks now, I wanted to put together this series of episodes with other estheticians to provide just support from us for your skincare, what you can do at home. And through these episodes, we're going to be giving you tips, talking about some of our go-to products to have that radiant skin, and what you can do while you're at home right now. So I hope you enjoy this special edition of Love My Skin, collaborative support with other skincare specialists. For anyone who has been able to see the recent demo videos that I put up on my social media pages. I just demoed one of my signature facials that I love doing for my clients to help them have that radiant skin, and it is like a triple threat, deeper, exfoliating, controlled injury type facial. So I demoed the at-home version to get a behind the scenes look. And I wanted to just briefly talk about that last step of that signature facial that I do, the microneedling, because there is an awesome special going on right now. So for those of you at home who saw the video and are curious about how you can get your own micro rolling kit and all of that to do microneedling at home, safe, effective, and all of that good stuff, I just wanted to just hop on here in this first episode and talk a little bit deeper about the product line that I really love for microneedling that I use in the spa and also at home myself, like I demonstrated in that video. If you've never received a microneedling or you've never done it for yourself, check out the video. I have a detailed demo on what I did it for myself because my skin was due, definitely. So you can check that out to see what it looks like. And if you're curious, your next steps to actually go ahead and buy it, I wanted to show you the product. So this line that I use is called Clinical Resolution Lab, and they're from the West Coast, from California. And right now there is an awesome special on these at-home micro rollers. It's their MTS, I know it's backwards, MTS roller kit. This is exactly what you would be purchasing if you're curious about it. And it comes with a sanitizing kit, the roller, and it comes with the treatment hyaluronic peptide serum that you use to roll with. So again, check out the video, you'll see what I'm talking about. This is the MR3. It comes in this little kit. There are many, many rollers out there. I love this one because I love a good company and product, and they're very educational, but they also, with the design, they focus on an ergonomic design. And what that means is that they design the whole, even the arm and everything, for even left-handed people to be able to use very easily. If you've never done this before, you know, this is a very simple tool as well, but it has an easy grip. It was, I think, designed by a professional automobile designer. So there was a lot of thought going into the structure of this whole thing. It also fits very easily in your palm. I have small hands. I know it looks big on the screen here, but you know, you can eat it. You can don't eat it. You can use it and hold it very easily. And there's a medical grade clear plastic, as you can see. So I'm describing it for those who are curious about buying it and you want to know more about the roller. So it was designed for easy, simple, safe use. There's no chemical bonding to this. It's even tilted at a certain angle so that as it glides over your skin, it helps you provide the right pressure. And again, check out the video so you can see exactly how to roll over your skin. You look really closely. The MR3, that's the length of the needles. I think there's about 200 needles in this whole roller, but those are what creates those puncture wounds, if you will, creating the microchanneling down your skin to activate that layer of collagen cells. So it activates your collagen production, and to support that collagen production is the hyaluronic acid. This kit from Clinical Resolution Lab will come with your own hyaluronic peptide serum. Again, I talked in the video, I spoke in the video about peptides a little bit. On an upcoming episode, I'll be diving in even deeper into the specifics of treatment serums, why they matter, why you want to roll with a hyaluronic-based serum to really help plump up those collagen cells as you're activating that layer with your micro roller. I love the Clinical Resolution line of the peptide serums, including the hyaluronic, because of the way that they produce it. And they really, just very simply, they really, they use a liposomal technology, which means that the molecules of the hyaluronic are so small and designed to be able to absorb even deeper into your skin. That's why it's so effective. So liposomal hyaluronic acid peptide serum is what you'll get with this micro rolling kit, and then you'll also get the sanitizing kit. Okay, this is really important. It's a really generous amount of the sanitizer, because as you'll see, you don't want to share this roller with anyone. You know, you're puncturing yourself, you don't want to spread anything, but this will help you keep your roller nice and clean. If you're like me and you like simple steps of skincare, the deeper ones that are going to be effective that you don't have to do too often. I do things seasonally, every probably 4 to 5 months, 4 to 6 months, I'll do the rolling. And I cleanse it right after I'm done with it, sanitize it, and I store it right away. And because of that, it pretty much looks brand new, and I've had it for about 3 years. So again, I use this 2 or 3 times a year. There are other ones that you can use more often, the MR3. Mine is a little bit longer because again, I've been doing this on my skin for a little while now. The ones that you'll be ordering are the MR3 series, safe enough to use once a month, even once a week if you will. If you're like me and you want to less is more, you can do it once a month and it will still be really effective, especially if you're using the hyaluronic peptide serum. For my clients watching, again, you know that you're already using the hyaluronic serum, so if you haven't gotten your micro roller yet, now's a perfect time to purchase it so that you can get deeper skincare healing going on, especially during this time where you can't come in and see me or your esthetician. This is a great way to support that. So stay tuned and check back for the upcoming episodes. The next one I'm going to be releasing, or the first one after this, is with esthetician Ruth from All About Skin. And we're going to be giving you some tips on getting started with some simple, effective skincare. Also, diving in deeper into the products that I use and my signature facial of the cleanser and the micro exfoliation. So check back for that and stay tuned for this next series of episodes of support to love my skin. Thank you.